Hey there, financial friends. If you're looking to move your money from Wealthfront to your bank account, you're in the right place. Wealthfront is a fantastic platform for investing, but sometimes you need those funds back in your everyday bank for bills, splurges, or just peace of mind. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it smoothly and without any headaches. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wealthfront account. Open up your web browser or the Wealthfront app on your phone, and enter your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication set up, and you should, make sure to verify that too. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard. It's usually the main screen you land on after logging in. Next, look for the Transfers or Banking section. This is where the magic happens. Click on that, and you'll see options for moving money in and out. Select Withdraw or Transfer to Bank, depending on what Wealthfront calls it. Now, choose the account you want to transfer from, probably your cash management account or investment portfolio, and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check that number because we all know how easy it is to add an extra zero by mistake. After that, you'll need to link your bank account if you haven't already. Wealthfront will ask for your bank's routing and account numbers, or you might be able to search for your bank directly. Once linked, confirm the details and hit Submit. Wealthfront typically processes transfers quickly, often within 1 to 3 business days, but keep an eye on any potential fees or minimum transfer amounts. One quick tip. Always check for any market conditions or Wealthfront policies that might affect your transfer, like if it's during a trading halt. And if you're transferring a large sum, consider doing it in smaller chunks to avoid any red flags. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from Wealthfront to your bank. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and you'll be back to managing your finances like a pro. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.